Hello my friends out there, here's Maddox with the next episode of MlP Season 1 Episode 22, A Bird in the Hoof. But before I start, I just want to mention some of you noticed it already and gave me the hint that there's something wrong in the last 2 or 3 videos, I don't know how many it was, that there is something wrong with the recording in the 13 minute, that there is something wrong. I don't know what it is. It's just always for a few seconds and everything is understandable, but it's annoying and I am trying to find out what is the reason for this, but till now, and like I said, it's only a few seconds and not really that bad. I just wanted to mention it, that no one has to worry what is wrong. I'll try my best to find out and find a solution for it. Okay, but now I will start with the video, A Bird in the Hoof, and yes, from the title here, it's a bird. It's an animal, so I think it's Fluttershy. There is not much to say, I would say. What could it be else? So I will just start again in 3, 2, 1. And there is a house.
There you go, Mr. Mousy.
Oh.
Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Aw, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
It's a cute little wheelchair.
You found a watch?
Is that a
You
reference for
wanna
Alice
be a
in
watch?
Wonderland?
You're running. Running out of time? No, you're late?
Yes. You are late.
I'm late
Yes.
for a very important date. The big brunch for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cube
Oh.
Corner.
Princess is in town? That's
Oh, the
that
princess
was
is here calling for a party, and we all promised
that was
we'd be
first
there, but
planned
I'm
for
not
the
there. Do I look alright?
what
Do I
was the
need to bring
name of
anything?
the
Maybe I
title?
shouldn't go.
Swarm of the Centuries.
It's starting. I'm missing it. Oh, thanks, Angel. I mean, if you
Oh,
hadn't
just
reminded me, I
go.
might have not remembered, and then I wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was, and... Oh, right, I'm late. Oh, okay then. See you later.
Okay.
My little pony, my little pony. Ah.
So Angel is still watching over Fluttershy,
I used to wonder what friendship
even if she
could
is
be.
sometimes really mean.
Until you all shared its
And
magic
someone
with
mentioned
me.
it would be
Big
even worse
adventure, tons of
in
fun.
later
A beautiful
episodes.
heart, faithful and strong.
Sharing kindness.
It's an easy feat, and
But
magic
Angel is
makes it all
cute.
complete. You have mine.
And Fluttershy is just too nice
You
to
know you
her.
are my very best friend.
Okay, so now let's see what will be with the visit of the princess.
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards, anyway? Is the pay good? Hello? Anybody home?
They won't talk to you. They like the royal guards at Buckingham Palace.
Too good. I'm bored.
Phew, made it.
Whoa,
Halt! Who goes there?
whoa,
No
what
one.
voices?
Never mind. I'll go home.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
Thanks, Twilight.
I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same without you.
Whoa, Spike. Best oven ever.
How's every pony doing? Good? Good.
Anything else we can get for you, dearies? Oh, I mean, esteemed guests.
Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
Twilight.
Twilight, I thought
Don't
I was
be
the only one who
that
got
nervous.
at social gatherings.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
But she's met us all before.
And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression.
That's right.
Well, I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna spill that on
Isn't
me!
that her dress for the
Ooh,
gala?
That looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me!
Or perhaps not that casual.
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first?
Okay, I would say the salad is the salad.
Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
It's okay, Twilight. So our
Yeah,
friend's manners
etiquette.
aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice.
And there comes the weird one.
Oh, chocolate fountain, goodness.
I wanted to do that ever.
A thousand pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite
I
all right.
always
Thank
wanted
you.
to do that with one of those chocolate fontaines.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock!
I
Whoa.
see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Thank you again. Oh, but of course, Your Majesty.
You're overdoing it.
Gotcha.
She's good.
And what about you, dear? Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small.
What the fuck is that?
Nothing means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects.
Sounds not very healthy. Oh gosh.
Ah, Philamina, my pet. You're awake. Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
Oh, my.
She is
That
quite a
bird-
sight, isn't she?
Yes.
I've never seen anything
She
like
looked
that.
like she would be dead any second.
Really? Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
Lyra and Bonbon in the crowd.
Phew. Now I can eat something. I'm starved.
Really? They throw that back away?
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt. Stay back! Back, I say!
The dress won't get hurt? Ah, she managed to get some.
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.
Yeah, this time. Okay, I did not say anything.
Oh, you poor little thing. How did you ever get in such bad condition? Don't you worry, Philamina. I'll nurse you back to health. As a favor to the princess, who is obviously just far too busy to care for you properly. I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help.
But you could have asked first.
Oh my!
And not just
Better
take
get you
her.
to bed right away. There.
Whoa. Okay. That's a really ill bird. Oh.
This is far worse than I thought. What you need is some medicine. Stat! Here you go, Philamina. This will fix you right up. Dr. Fluttershy, I expected that. Always works. Almost always.
Ah, nice soup.
There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you. Come on now. You're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate. See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo!
Really? Oh. And
Oh dear.
it's
Don't worry,
Brody.
Philamina. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing.
Gosh.
Look, Philamina. I brought a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up. Hummingway here was sick once too, but he let me help him and got better in no time. Didn't you, boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philamina.
Oh.
Aw, look. I think he likes you. Ah!
And the theme song again.
Your turn now, Philamina. Go ahead. You can do it.
Uh-oh. Something bad is going on. Whoa.
Good try.
Ah,
I know what'll clear up that tickle in your throat. A
that was
humidifier.
disgusting.
Ah, refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philamina? Better?
I don't know really sometimes if the bird is still alive or not. Well, it's not moving.
That's okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How about
Whoa.
aromatherapy?
Well, but she not gives up. She tries everything. And nothing works.
Warm bath?
Are you a sponge?
Ointment?
A sponge bird? And more feathers. What?
Surgical tape. Feathers.
What are you doing? What was this guide for?
Philamina, I thought it would be easy
I
to
don't
nurse
think
you
I
back
will
to
know
health,
it.
But I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever.
But really? Just tape the feathers back?
Hi, Fluttershy. I just wanted to drop by
Whoa.
and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today. What is Celestia's pet doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
But she doesn't belong to you.
I had to do something.
Without telling any pony? Without
Yes.
asking permission?
But,
I know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
but,
Yes?
you're
She's
right.
dead.
Okay, let's go.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
Oh, you're doomed. Whoa, the face.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really?
Oh, they
You
noticed.
don't say! It's that dry night air.
But it's daytime.
Oh,
Air's
Fluttershy.
even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philamina, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop.
Really, not suspicious. And they believe it.
What are you doing?
Going to return Philamina, remember?
We can't now.
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well,
Yes.
no, but it can't be anything good. She might banish you from Equestria, or throw
Really?
you in a dungeon,
Twilight.
or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
Too much fantasy.
You really think the princess would do that?
Okay, granted that probably
Maybe
won't
that's the
happen,
side effect
but
of
do you
living
wanna
in a
take any
library.
chances?
All that really matters
much
to me is that poor
fantasy
little Philamina
novels.
here gets well.
That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished. Unless I'm banished too somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
Please, Twilight, you just have to help me get Philamina healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything will be fine.
Oh,
Did you give her any kind of medicine?
I don't think
tried
that
to, but
bird
she
will
wouldn't
ever be healthy again.
Then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can't fly.
No excuses.
Not anymore, I would say.
Done. Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
Oh no.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby. You want her to get well, don't you?
Baby?
Of course, but...
Next!
Well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
Duct tape.
One step ahead of you.
Oh, it's for your own good, Philamina, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's the soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philamina.
Okay.
She wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right.
Whoa. They got a lot of
Where are you going?
faces. Ah! Benny Hill theme. I like this song. What episode was it before? Ticketmaster. Where the whole town was chasing Twilight. Really? I think what's going on. Yeah. The good old classics. They are not forgotten. Looks much better.
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? What does it go?
Rainbow.
Excuse me.
Hey! Beg your pardon. Put me down.
What tarnation?
Sorry, but we've got to find...
Princess's pet bird!
Oh, they found. Oh!
Philamina, come down from there. You'll hurt yourself.
Oh, the last one. Okay.
I'll catch you.
Petra! Can do it! Whoa! Ah, I got it! I got it! Now I realize.
What is going on here?
It's good. She's a phoenix.
Twilight?
Yes, Your Majesty.
No,
There's
I
been
got
a
it.
terrible accident.
It's all my fault.
No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
I'm the one
That
who
explains
did.
why
You were only
Celestia
trying to
did
help.
nothing
Some help I was.
about her.
Will you let me do
Bad
this?
look.
She'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault.
No, it's my fault. Wait, what are we talking about?
Pinky?
Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but Princess
Oh, man.
Celestia,
Typical
I'm the one
Pinky.
who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest.
Oh.
So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I deserve.
Come on, Celestia.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philamina. You're scaring every pony.
I knew it. Now I'm curious, what is she looking like? Whoa!
I don't understand.
That animation was amazing.
What is that thing? What
And
happened
she
to
is
Philamina?
amazing too.
This is
Looks
Philamina.
awesome.
She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix. Isn't that right, Philamina?
And she sounds much better.
Phoenix?
A phoenix is a majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame. Rather melodramatic, if you ask me.
Yes, a little
It
bit.
then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little Philamina here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy.
Aww.
Say you're sorry, young lady.
So,
Oh,
aren't you
but
gonna
at
banish
at
me?
least
Or
she's
throw me in a
apologizing.
dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Of course not, my little pony. Where on earth would you get such an idea?
I
Yes.
guess I have some imagination.
Fluttershy really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philamina for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you Philamina was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves.
Yes, would be better.
Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
No, that's quite all right. I think I can remember.
Whoa.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philamina.
Nice
No
present.
hard feelings.
Rainbow, what are you planning? Does she even fit in the cage? She looks so much taller than the cage. And she did it. Oh no, oh god. That was great. That was so great, this episode. So 1 second she burst into flames. It was clear that she's a phoenix. That is awesome. And just the animation in the second she resurrects, that was wow. And herself, at least. She looks amazing as Phoenix. This is wow. No, totally different to before. No wonder that it. When I hadn't seen that she bursted and resurrected again, I would never have expected that was the same bird. That's amazing. Oh, okay, everybody. So we'll see you next time. Bye.